precedence, nobody technically to blame. They'll call this an accident, like it flipped, like it fell. For the high disasters always happen to someone else. Empty rooms argue about the word unsoon, unforeseen and regrettable. I'd have thought I'd stay as measurable. Yeah. If nobody's responsible, everybody gets away.